Organizing the closet in my bathroom. I had to get another one of these organizers because I thought it would be perfect for this. Spoolies. We're gonna leave the lid off of this one. How did I not think of using this organizer for this before? And FYI, after the video is over, everything will be listed under bathroom. Q-tips. Foldable face razors. More razors. Okay, honestly, this has to be one of my top organization ideas. These are my reusable makeup removing towels. They are going right here. I love these. You just stick them to the wall. It's gonna go right there. I know these look super thin, but when you run them under water, they turn into a sponge. Perfect. So they come in a pack of 4. They're also great for on the inside of your cabinets. Some of my favorite powder puffs. I'll probably add a few more of those for like bobby pins, my nail glue, other stuff. I use these organizers all over my house. Clinical strength. Makeup wipe. These are petty in a box and they are so good to have on hand. We are not trying to have them crusty feet. These are towel headbands for when I wash my face. And you put these on your wrist when you're washing your face so the water doesn't run down your arms. Those actually are life-changing. These are self-warming eye masks. They're so good for migraine. Love it. Toilet paper in this basket. And some of these. You can store your hairbrushes in here, but you can also store your headbands on the outside. This is so cute for sponges. These are so cool for in your closet, under your sink. Peel the adhesive off. We're gonna put it right here. Okay, so now we have a light in here. Is that not so cute? Just everything under bathroom.